Have you ever felt like your face is a bit on the longer side, and no matter how you do your makeup, it just doesn't seem to create that balanced oval shape everyone talks about? You're not alone, and the secret isn't about changing your features, but understanding how to work with them. Today, we're diving deep into the art of forehead contouring, specifically for long faces. It's a game-changing technique that can visually shorten the forehead and bring harmony to your entire look. Let's start with the basics. The goal of contouring a long face is to create the illusion of width and to reduce the appearance of length. For the forehead, this means we're going to focus the shading along the hairline and temples. Think of it like this: wherever you apply a darker contour shade, you're essentially creating a shadow which makes that area recede or appear smaller. By applying contour along the top of your forehead, right at the hairline, you visually lower it. Now, grab your favorite contour product. It can be a cream, stick, or powder, whatever you're most comfortable with. The key is to choose a shade that's about 2 to 3 shades darker than your skin tone with a cool or neutral undertone. We want to mimic a natural shadow, not add warmth like a bronzer would. Using a fluffy angled brush for powder or a dense brush or sponge for cream. Start applying the product right along your hairline, blending downwards. Don't bring the contour too far down. We want to keep it concentrated at the very top edge of your forehead. The magic really happens when you connect this to your temples. After shading along the hairline, sweep the contour down along your temples on both sides of your face. This is crucial. By adding shadows to the sides, you're creating the illusion of a wider forehead, which counteracts the length. Imagine you're drawing a soft, rounded arch from one temple up along the hairline and down to the other temple. The blending is everything here. Use small circular motions or tapping motions to diffuse any harsh lines. The transition from the contour to your skin should be seamless. You shouldn't be able to tell where the contour ends and your foundation begins, but contour is only half the story. The other half is highlighting. Highlight brings areas forward, so we want to place it strategically to enhance that illusion of width. Take a highlighter one that's not too shimmery for a natural look and apply it to the center of your forehead. Just a little dab right above the space between your eyebrows. By drawing light to the center, you're creating a focal point that pulls the eye inward, away from the length of the face. This simple step adds dimension and prevents your forehead from looking flat after all that shading. Think of it as a push and pull effect. The contour pushes the hairline and temples back, while the highlight pulls the center forward. It's this interplay of light and shadow that reshapes and rebalances. Remember to set everything with a translucent powder to make sure it lasts all day. And don't be afraid to experiment. The exact placement and intensity will vary slightly depending on your unique face shape and hairline. Practice in front of a mirror with good lighting to see what works best for you. It might take a few tries, but once you master this technique, you'll be amazed at how it can balance your features and boost your confidence. It's not about hiding, it's about enhancing the beautiful face you already have. Thanks for watching.